Welcome back to Math for class 11th. Today's topic exercise 3.2 trigonometric function 3.2. Okay. So formula sin x equal to 0. This implies x equal to n pi, where x is any, where n is any integer. So cos x equal to 0 implies x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is x, any integer, and tan x equal to sin x upon cos x. So cos x, cos this value, so 2n plus 1 pi by 2, x is not equal to pi by 2 for any integer n. And same cot x, cos x upon sin x, then x is not equal to n pi for any n integers. And sec x is opposite of cos x. X is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, this pi by 2 function for n any integer. Cosec x, this 1 upon sin x, x is not equal to n pi for n as n any integer. Okay, this is a formula. Okay, this is a diagram, x dash and y dash. This is origin. This is a 1 degree, 180 degree, and this complete also 180 degree. Total 2 pi equal to 360 degree. Clear? This one round is completed at angle O is 360 degree or 2 pi. This pi equal to 180 degree and 2 pi equal to 360 degree. Clear? So, and next formula in 10th class, 1 plus tan square theta identity formula equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to sec square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 using this formula. Okay, and tan is also given, tan cot also given in this formula. Okay, lead and quadrant, important quadrant, this is a quadrant. Okay, x dash, y and y dash, this first quadrant, and second quadrant, and third, and that fourth. First, all trigonometric functions, all positive. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all are positive function. Okay? This is a pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, or 90 minus theta. Okay, you already studied in the 10th class, pi by 2 minus theta. This is a second, change to pi by 2 plus theta. This pi plus theta, or this 2 pi minus theta, or already 3 pi by 2 pi minus theta, or this pi plus theta, and this pi minus theta also. Okay, in these angles, the first quadrant, second and third and fourth. First, all are positive, already studied in 10th class, and second only sin and cosec, sin and cosec, only sin and cosec positive, other negative. Hit this side tan and cot. Third quadrant, tan and cot positive, other negative. And this side sec and cos positive, other negative. Clear? All are positive in first quadrant. Second quadrant, sin and cosec positive, other negative. And third, tan theta and cot theta positive in third quadrant, other negative. And fourth quadrant, sec theta and cos theta positive. other negative. Clear? You can see the table in NCERT book. You can see, okay, table, or you can, this is an important diagram. 24 hours your set of mind and lie and use of this table or diagram and solve the problems. Okay, so next 360 degree minus theta, mostly important. This question, this formula lie in next exercise, but using this exercise also. So sine minus 360 minus theta equal to sine n into 360 degree minus theta. This equal to sine n into 2 pi minus theta equal to minus sine theta, or cos 360 minus theta, or cos n into 2 pi minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, same value lie in cos 2 pi minus 2 pi minus theta, as well as same value of cos theta by tan cot has same angles, but lie in fourth quadrant. Only sec and cos positive, other negative, and plus theta all are positive. Clear? And lie in first quadrant. 360 minus theta lie in fourth quadrant. This is also 360 degree minus theta, or 360 plus theta lie in first quadrant. Lie in first quadrant. Okay, so see the points. Clear? Need out 360 degree minus theta lie in fourth quadrant. You can see 360 degree minus theta in fourth quadrant, और 360 डिग्री प्लस थीटा इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. नहीं ध्यान रखो, बाकी अदर हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ एक्सरसाइज 3.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. cos x इक्वल टू माइनस 1/2. x लाई इन थर्ड quadrant. So find all other 5 trigonometric functions. So cos is given, so cos, then find sine. So cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Then sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This equal to 1 minus cos, this 1 by 2 square, 1 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 1/4. Then sine square theta equal to 3 by 4. Then sine theta equal to plus minus under root 3 by 2. Take it right, but lie in third quadrant. And third quadrant, in third, other sine is negative, so taking negative value. So therefore sine theta equal to minus under root 3/2. That is clear? No positive. Okay, that is sine. And other tan theta equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Sine is minus under root 3 by 2, and cos is also minus 1 by 2. Minus cut, 2 cut, under root 3. This is also lie in third, that is positive, right? Clear or verified? And cot theta equal to 1/tan theta. So 1 under root 3 is cot theta, tan cot, and sine also. And then after find cosec and sec. So sec theta equal to 1 cos theta, 1 minus 1 by 2. This is reciprocal minus 2. Okay, and then cosec theta equal to 1 sine theta. So this equal to 1 sine is also given, minus under root 3/2. This is also minus 2 under root 3. Minus 2 under root 3. Okay, same this type question solve method, very simple method. And this also 10th base, but simply some point is strictly lie in first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Okay, 10th class only first quadrant. Or this is also 11th have 3 4 2 3 4 quadrant. All question are same. Now question number 6. Find the value of trigonometric function. This sine in angle. This is the value ratio. On this value is angle form 765 degree. So 765 change to 360 degree. So sine this 720 degree plus 45 degree, right? 505 456, right? 720. This value is changed in the 360 degree. So 2 into 360 degree plus 45 degree. Clear? So this is also sine 45 degree. This is this type question. 260. The first round is completed and second round is also completed. 360 multiply 2. 2 round is completed and 45. This is 45 this here. This angle. Okay. So 45 lie in first quadrant. This is also sine 45 equal to 1 upon under root 2. That your answer, right? This is also positive. So 360 plus theta equal to first quadrant. Clear? So next question 7. Cosec minus 1410. Cosec minus 1410 degree. This equal to minus cosec 1410 degree. Clear? Cosec sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. This is also cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta, right? So change in this form 114. So cosec 114. So 360. So 366 जा 0 cut or 36. So something 4. I say divide 1410 divide by 360. 0 cut 3 जा 108 and 4 जा 144. This is also changed to 1440. Okay, minus this value difference in 1410 is 030. Clear? So 1440 1440 minus 30 equal to 1410. Okay, so this value is cosec this a cosec in this angle 4 into 360 minus 30 degree. Clear? 144 change to 4 into 360 degree. So this round is complete 4. Okay, 4, and then after minus the minus lie in 30 in fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta lie in fourth quadrant. This is also fourth quadrant. So minus cosec 30 degree, but lie in fourth quadrant. This is a cosec is negative. So minus minus plus cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree equal to answer 2. That's your answer. Okay. Table, complete your table. Without table is not write your answer. Okay. Complete your table, sign plus minus. And sign and question number 8. Question number 8. Sine minus 11 pi upon 3. Okay. So this minus theta equal to minus sine theta 11 pi by 3, and this equal to minus sine 12 pi 4 pi minus pi by 3. equal to minus sine 4 pi minus pi by 3. This is equal to minus capital I in fourth quadrant pi by 3. So this is a negative. Minus minus plus sine pi by 3 equal to under root 3 upon 2. That is answer. Complete your exercise, and then after